When it comes to intimacy, it's important to approach it with respect, care, and a sense of responsibility. If you're looking to learn about intimacy, communication, and mutual respect, here's some guidance. Consent is key. Before anything happens, both partners need to enthusiastically and explicitly consent to being intimate. It's crucial to respect each other's boundaries and ensure that both people are comfortable with what is happening. Communication. Discuss your feelings, boundaries, and expectations with your partner. Make sure both of you understand each other's needs and desires, as well as any hesitations or concerns. Open communication creates a safe environment for both people. Emotional readiness. Both parties should feel emotionally ready. Emotional readiness and maturity are essential for a healthy and enjoyable experience. Make sure you're both comfortable with your relationship and that this step feels right for both of you. Respect boundaries. Everyone has their own comfort levels and boundaries. Make sure you're always listening to your partner's feedback and respecting their limits. Consent isn't just about agreeing to something once. It's ongoing, and it's important to check in throughout. Foreplay. Physical intimacy often involves more than just intercourse. Foreplay, including kissing, touching, and other forms of affection, can help both people feel more comfortable and connected. It's important to take time to understand your partner's body language and reactions. Use protection. To protect both partners' health, always use condoms or other forms of protection to prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unintended pregnancies. Take it slow. Don't rush the experience. Focus on enjoying each other's company, being gentle, and being mindful of your partner's feelings and comfort. Take the time to explore and enjoy each other's company. Mutual satisfaction. Both partners should aim for mutual satisfaction, where both parties feel cared for and valued. It's important to communicate during the experience if something feels uncomfortable or if there's something either of you would like to try. Post-intimacy care. Afterward, it's essential to continue communicating. Check in with each other about how the experience was, how you're feeling, and whether there's anything either of you would like to explore further in the future. Remember, every individual and relationship is unique. The most important thing is that both partners feel respected, comfortable, and safe. If you need more detailed advice or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.